Hi there. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can sing higher notes, reach up to your higher register without getting that cracking, that breaking and that growly feeling in your throat when you feel like you can't hit those higher notes. Now, before we do that, please do remember to click the like button, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you get all of my upcoming videos and you don't miss a video. Now, when you get to the end of this, please do make sure that you share it with someone that it's going to help so that other people can get the benefit. What that does is it helps the algorithm to know that people are enjoying this video, that it's useful, that it's and that it's working for people. And so that's what that's going to do is the algorithm's going to share it with more people so that even more people can get the benefit of learning how to use their voices and how to reach those high notes and create a nice, smooth singing tone. It's my mission to reach 10,000 singers every year, and I'd love you to be part of that. So please like, subscribe, share, and of course at the end of the video, let me know what you've liked most about what you've learned. So let's jump in. Now, when you go to reach high notes, you're singing away. Sometimes, you can feel nice and full in those lower notes, and then you go to hit a higher note and your voice just goes, or it's almost there, but it cracks. You get that kind of scratchy feeling in your throat. And it's really embarrassing. No one wants that to happen. No one wants to hear that, but it's not the end of the world. It happens to everyone. Every single singer that is worth their salt has had that happen. So you're in good company. What is happening there is that your lower register, your chest voice, your chest register and your head register, they're clashing together. Sometimes, that your lower notes feel nice and full and then your higher notes feel a bit weaker. That's just because there's a physiological change in your vocal cords. And so what we can do is we can create a scenario where it's easier to navigate through that scratchy sound, that break. It's called the break, okay? And we can use different singing techniques so that we can get around that in a safe way so that we don't scratch our voices, so that our voices don't break and crack and we don't create strain and damage on our vocal cords. That's really, really important. Now, what it is not that you can't hit high notes. It's just that middle section is just a little bit difficult to navigate. So the exercise I'm going to give you today is going to help you to do that. Of course, we're going to warm up first. So let's start with a hum. Let's start a bit lower for those people with lower voices. And we're not going for a nice sounding hum. We're not going for no. These sounds do not sound particularly pretty. We're going for a and we want to hear and we want to feel a buzz. And that buzz is going to be forward in the face, in the mask area. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and keep going. Be careful not to push as you get to the higher notes. Nice and relaxed. Loose stomach, loose back, loose shoulders. Keep going. Nearly there. And of course, we're going to do a lip bubble. And we want to be careful not to push at the top of the exercise. So we don't want... We want it to be the same volume and the same tone all the way through. Here we go. Remember not to push at the top. Same volume all the way through. And back down. Keep the shoulders and the stomach and the back nice and relaxed. Head straight, not reaching up. Remembering to keep the same volume all the way through. Last one. So now we're ready to do the exercise. Now again, this isn't a pretty sounding exercise, it's a buzzy sounding exercise, and it's very short. So it sounds like this. Nya, 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 nya. As you can hear, it's buzzy, it's up and it's forward. So the temptation might be to start really well. Nya, 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 nya. And then as you go up in the exercise, maybe you lose concentration, or maybe you're not liking the sound initially because you're not used to it. And you might fall into nya, 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 trying to make it sound nice and pretty and singy. That's not what we're looking for. That's not going to help you to get through that mid-range that breaks up and makes the cracking and breaking in your voice. It really has to be up and forward and really focused so that you can navigate that challenging part of your voice. So keep it nice and short. There may also be a temptation to sing nyan, 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 nyan. And you also might want to put vibrato on the end to make it pretty. Please avoid all of those. Just a nice short sound. Nya, 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 nya. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. So keep it buzzy. We don't want to make it pretty. And we're not going into our head voice. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nice and small. Nya, 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 nya. Small and short. Back down. Keep it short and small and buzzy. Nya, 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 nya. So now you know that that exercise is going to help you to get around those tricky parts of your voice where your chest and head register meet. And what's going to happen is that those are going to blend and you're going to create a really lovely, smooth, beautiful tone, even though the exercise sounds a little bit harsh and buzzy. So I hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope it's helped. Do remember to like and subscribe, share it with someone who's going to benefit. And of course, tell me what you liked most about the exercise and how it's helping you with your singing. I'll see you very soon. Stay hydrated. Ciao.